again? Three tomorrow is Wednesday, right?
4 is Friday.
4, ano ka? 3 is Wednesday. Thursday.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Iloilo
Ano
East
day ngayon,
Coast,
Mom?
Capiz Road
Okay,
R4.
4.
Thursday is
So 4 is Friday is graduation.
4 is
Friday is recognition, college. Then 5, 6 weekend. 7 is your own.
7 yung sa Vikings natin. 8. So, window natin, 9.
Take the next left onto Iloilo East
Oo nga,
Coast,
biyahe
Capiz
na
Road
pala, no?
R4.
Weekend. Sa 5 and 6. Bumilas tayo. West side yun, di ba?
Ayun po, isang Gimaras is within Cebu City. Here, so, one of the weekends pwede.
Sunday, then pala Saturday tayo.
Isang option natin, Friday evening. That's the window.
And also, Fridays, college sila.
College ko, no?
Graduation.
In 800 meters, turn left onto Iloilo East Coast, Capiz Road Lopez Jaina Street.
Oo nga, pamilya na itong pala ito, Hindi ko nakadaan tayo dito. Iloilo, ano to, dito tayo, circumferential, no? Okay.
What if, Gimaras tayo bloon kay Auntie, tapos parang yung Vikings tayo na lang.
Hindi, mas hassle mo, idalhin mo sa Gimaras man. Imagine, ikaw,
Vikings lang. Oo. Vikings on the 8.
sa Gimaras tayo na lang.
Okay.
Vikings yan.
Pero kung pasok ang hangin.
Baka ano?